Okay, so Gavin and Charles are going to help me fix this doorknob. See this? Broken. We fixed the other side before, now we're going to fix this side as well. There's a piece of plastic that breaks. Anyway, so there's two main screws here, right? What size is this? It's almost like an Allen key. Small size. Anyway, should fit, right?
Yep.
Right. Take it off, and then there's another screw over here somewhere. Keep going. Spin it all the way. Coming.
Damn, bro. Shit.
Okay. Shouldn't take that long.
No, it's coming out.
It's coming out? Okay. Damn, son. Get some haircut. Yeah, it's black and white. We'll use the magnet to get it out. But that's it. It's loose?
Yeah, it's loose.
Alright, get that on. Long view. Long view. Good. All right. Now get the magnet.
Yep.
Where's that magnet? Oh, I got it. Oh, wait.
Hold on.
Take this little magnet. Can you touch it? Catch it? It's okay. Just touch it. Pull it out. Good. I'll get that one out. Here's the side screw. Okay. Alright, now we got to take this piece off. Okay. So let's get this piece. Okay, so now we're going to take this piece off by the window pit. Watch that out. Hold towards me, push it towards me, good. That pops out, right? And then now, you're going to take off this piece, Gavin. Okay, so take that piece off. Put that back. Hold. Keep coming. Pull it out. Good. Okay. Okay. So now with that window portion off, you're gonna get a needle nose and wedge this out. See? You could reuse this. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna pull this part up. See? Start from the bottom. Alright, lift it up. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now come over here. Look on top. You see the blue? Take the blue out. The clip.
This one?
There's a notch on the top. It's color coded. Get a squeeze on the top. Careful, don't, because these plastics are brittle. Don't try to force it too much. There you go. And then, okay. Okay, so this piece here is what actually pulls the door open, and it actually goes into this broken hinge. See this hinge here? It's broken. There's a little piece of plastic here. Okay. So we're gonna work around it. I'm gonna use wire. Okay, so I draw a hole on this broken piece here, right? See this? The door handle. I drill a hole here. I'm gonna put a little piece of a hook here. I'm gonna use this to hook this up. Kevin, where's my? Oh, give me. So tighten it a little bit. So I rigged it so that that hook that I put hooks up with the other thing. So now come around, right? See? So now this is flush now. See, look over here. Should work now. So I'm gonna wire everything back, right? So it's color coded. The green goes back with the green. Red goes with the red. Blue goes with the blue. Locked in. Okay. Just make sure this goes in on top. Make sure the screws line up. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. Charlie, you're gonna check the door, okay? Make sure it opens. Good, right? See? The handle's back to normal. Boom. So let's put this piece back. But before we do that, we gotta put this thing back here, right? I just reused that. Boom. Okay. Make sure that sides line up, Kevin. Make sure that the clip goes on here. Okay, it's clipped on. Make sure this, oh, it's gonna leak. See, gotta make sure, see, there, that this goes on top so it doesn't leak when it rains. Same here. There. Okay. Now that the window thingy seals in, let's put this piece in. So you actually got to put the front here in first. You can come on this side. Look, John, swing over here on this side. You gotta make sure this lip comes in first, and then you push this part in. Right, first here, and then here. That's good. I put the main screws back in. But before you do that, you always want to do it by hand. Turn this by hand first. Make sure it goes in. If it goes in smoothly, that means you're good. You understand? Is it going in smoothly?
I think so, yeah.
That's why you always want to do this by hand first. You could feel it. Because if this doesn't go in smoothly and you try to do this, you could jam that in. Alright, tighten it. That's good. Here. Put that one in. That's the two main screws. Do it by hand. Make sure it goes in by hand first. Okay, now tighten it. That's good.